Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Beauty by Ada here, and in today's video I am going to be showing you all my hair wash routine. This is our wash day today, so I'll be showing you guys my wash day and how I grow my kids hair, the homemade products, or will I say recipe, that I use in growing out their hair, and for healthy hair, strong hair, longer hair. If you are here for that, then definitely keep on watching this video because you will definitely learn a whole lot. And if you're new to this channel and you're seeing us for the first time, you're hearing this voice for the first time, please do go ahead and join the family. You're welcome to my channel. Click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next video, because I always share hair tips, growth tips. If you haven't watched my video on how I grew out my first daughter's hair, do go ahead. I'll leave that in the description box, and I'll also leave the link up there, so do click that link and watch that video because you will definitely also learn a whole lot. I also use some of those products in this video. So I went on to lose her hair. I also posted a video on this hair on my channel. Do go ahead, just go through my channel. You will see a whole lot of goodies waiting for you. Go ahead and binge watch like all my videos, watch everything. You guys, like, you're welcome to my channel, okay, and you're welcome to stay. So first of all, I shampoo her hair and wash her hair. I use this TRESemmé shampoo. I don't know, but I'm not just so big on shampoos and all those things. I don't know, I just use what I can and what I see, and I've been using this TRESemmé and I just feel like it's good. It's been good to me, to my hair, and to my kids' hair, so I definitely go ahead and use that because it's been good. So then another shampoo that I have used that I love was the Shea Moisture shampoo. Their products, I really love the smell, mostly the kids products. I just love the smell. So once I'm done with that, I'll be using this mixture on her hair. This will serve as a conditioner and also a treatment for her hair. So in this mixture, I'll put everything in the description box down below definitely, but let me still say it. In this mixture I have avocado, I have honey, I have a lemon, I have like a teaspoon of ACV, and there are also other things that you can put. If you want to keep seeing hairstyle series or more hair treatment, go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know the kind of videos you want to see, and I'll definitely make more of those videos. That is why I always say please leave a comment in the comment section so that I know what content you guys love to see. If you want to see more hair treatment, because I do that a whole lot, so if you want to see more hair treatment, do go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely do that. So I like massage that into her scalp, make sure that her hair is well covered in this well, I call it a hair mask. Yeah, a hair mask. So I make sure that her hair is well covered in the hair mask. Like, look at that hair, it's already, look at the curls already coming out. It's already looking bouncy and real healthy. Like, look at that girl's hair. So after that, I do go ahead with what's it called, like the shower cap, and then I cover up her hair and then leave it to sit for a while. You can just leave it for as long as you want. I just left her because of course she's not going nowhere. She wasn't doing anything, so I left her for like more than 30 minutes. Yeah, she had that on. I just cover it up and then you leave it on for her. Then here we are back again. After some time, she's now back and I'll be washing this off right now. So look at that, look at the difference. You can go back and check the difference from when I applied it to now. You can see the curls are already popping. Her hair is already looking so good, and I am just happy with her hair. And I am also happy with my first daughter's hair. The hair is actually growing so well, it's doing so great. Like, you guys, I am so happy. Look at those curls. Her hair is looking so healthy. I will definitely be leaving everything in the description box down below, and please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me if you would like to see more hair series. This is her natural 4C hair, so tell me if you would like to see more hair series, more hair routine, hair wash day, hair care, and all those homemade stuffs, good stuff you use for your hair. If you want that, I will definitely do more of those videos, so just leave your comments in the comment section. So this already served as a conditioner, so I'm now combing out her hair. You can see it's looking easier to comb out than before, so because I already left this on her hair. Go ahead and also feel free to try this out and give me a feedback. Tell me what you think about it, or how, if it works for you or not, because one thing is everybody does not have the same hairstyle. Disclaimer, everybody does not have the same hair type, texture, and everything, so you just need to know what works for you. But why I am like putting this out here is because I know this is natural, and natural hurts nobody. That is one good thing about using natural or homemade products. It never hurts nobody. It's either it works or it does not work. You guys, this girl is so, it's so stressful doing her hair. Like, she's one, oh my god, you need to see behind the scenes. And please do not come for me in the comment section. She's at home. I had to, like, normally after washing her hair, she do go ahead and have her bath, but then for the sake of this video, for the purpose of this video, I had to put on her clothes because I don't want you seeing her naked, so I had to put on some clothes. But after this, definitely she had her bath, and so it's no, the water and everything, it doesn't matter. She just still had her bath. So, but I had to put on the clothes for her because of this video. You guys can't be seeing her naked though. So I go ahead and wash that off. After I am done washing off, what I do is I still comb out her hair. You can see how easy and soft her hair is to comb out right now. It really works. Like, you guys need to try this out. It works magic. So I'm already combing it out so I can remove any residue or anything left from the avocado. Avocado has like all these I don't know what that is, but any avocado residue or whatever on her hair. So I just comb out her hair so I can remove everything out there, and then rinse her hair and dry it. Oh Lord, this girl stressed me a whole lot. She stresses me every time doing her hair, washing her hair. We always fight. But she's fine. You can see she still have the some of the products I put on her hair. Not like, I don't know how to explain that, but she still has a little bit, but that's not a problem. So this is the hair cream I used in growing out my daughter's hair. This is the hair cream. I already have a video on this, so do go ahead and check that video out so you see everything, and I explained everything and how it works. So I will go ahead and massage that into her scalp, and apply that all over her hair, and also try to pat down the hair so that it can get really on her scalp. So after that, what I do is I don't just leave their hair, because you know how natural 4C hair can be. If you leave it, it's going to, I don't want any shrinkage on this hair. So what I go ahead and do is I like pat them out and braid them down, so that when it dries, it doesn't like go back. And I don't use any heat on their hair. I don't use heat, so I don't use any hand dryer or anything. I just leave it to dry on its own. After braid, you can see how long it is after braiding it down. And then if you see like when you haven't braided it, it looks like short. The shrinkage is real, you guys, it's real. So this is what I do. I go ahead and comb it out, and then I braid it down for her so that it can just dry and then still remain like that until I am ready to braid down, to like do the real braid on their hair. So this is what I do, and they're not going to anywhere, so I didn't bother really. This looked really cute though, it came out really cute, so I didn't bother. They will have this for a while until I'm ready to braid down their hair. And that is it, guys. Look at how beautiful my baby is. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and family so they too can learn. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section as that helps my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and I appreciate you for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.